In this video, I gonna tell you guys how to determine Budgie gender. Okay, um, this is my two little Budgie, Cookie and Pie. They are 4 months on. Um, Nếu bạn sorry, um, this is you, you can barely see their nose. The little boy, the dark blue, have the blue nose. That's the boy, and this the girl is her nose kind of pink. So pretty much like if the Budgie have the blue snow, so they are boys, and if the pink nose, they are girl. But it's kind of hard to determine when they are young. So yeah, you have to wait for a few months to if you want to determine exactly the gender. Thank you for watching.